Bumps to Will. Line him down the lane. Tripped down by Douglas. He wants a shooting call for his pain and suffering. So the attack, that's for sure. Makes it very difficult for Douglas and anybody else to stay in front of him. That time, contact all the way. But not up free throw. Called that foul, I think, earlier on Parsons. It would have been if that had been Tony Douglas' foul. Kyle Singer gets an Andre Drummond screen to the lane.